we'll build contraptions kind of like this thing. I don't know if you can see that in the camera, but these domes that go over our beds, we'll build these for all the other beds, and then we'll cover them with plastic. The kale probably won't need it, and the spinach probably won't either, but some of our more tender things like lettuce and beets and you know, carrots, like we'll cover those on those really, really cold nights in the winter. Some pests, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to build some of those PVC domes that I showed earlier to go over these, and I'm going to put protection over it. Just some plastic, you know, 6 mil liner that goes over it, and then that will help keep the pests off them. So we're going to be building those very soon, over the next few weeks, and we're going to be building a lot of them to cover. The goal is to get them for all of our raised beds out there. I don't know if that's going to happen, but definitely these raised ones, and definitely the ones that have greens in them and these things are getting attacked, we're going to build them. And then you can also use insect netting instead of the plastic, which we'll probably have to do in the beginning, because if it gets above, you know, 70 degrees, you've got to prop that plastic up, and I know I'm going to forget one of those days. So I don't do that. I don't put the plastic on until it's definitely cold, but I'll put the insect netting on first, and that'll help keep the insects off, and then we can put the plastic over top of that afterwards, and then we have 2 layers of protection for the plants.